Welcome to PhysioYoga Online. I've been busy working on several workshops, and the workshop I've been putting online lately is about the lower legs and the feet. And this week I want to offer you the first part for free so you get an idea what's it all about. The workshop will attend to different problems that a lot of people can have regarding the feet and the lower leg. I'll talk about flat feet, I talk about problems with the toes, I talk about instability in the ankle, I talk about the heel spurs and how you can take care of that. I talk about Achilles tendon problems, shin splint, and I even move a little bit up into the knee and knee stability. And I offer very easy exercises that everybody can do, and I explain the connection with yoga and different yoga poses and how you can adapt those so that you have a better impact on any problems or imbalances that you encounter in your lower leg and feet. There's two different ways in how you can access these videos. The first one is you can buy the workshop by itself and you get lifelong access. The price is $15 for that. Or you can choose for the second option, which is you can subscribe to my channel, the PhysioYoga online resource channel, and then you pay $16 a month. Or if you subscribe for 1 year, you pay $120, which is $10 a month. And then you get access to all the workshops that are already available, and you also get the assurance that every month I will create a new workshop. And this workshop will be available for sale, but if you're a member of the subscription channel, you get it every month like that. Added to that, you will get all the exercises in a separate way, stripped down so that you can really just do the exercise, follow my instructions, and create your own practice like that. All these exercises will be put into an index so that you can search which exercises suit you or suit your complaints that you have. Another thing which I have added is that I will create a new Facebook group which is members only, and in that you can ask questions, share experiences, and contact me with your questions, and I will answer them in the forum and in the group, or I will answer them by making new videos. In this way you will be co-creating this channel, as it were. So if you have any questions about this, please contact me. If you want to have more information, click on the link below and you will get access to a page which explains all of this in more detail. And now I just let you watch the first part of this workshop. Enjoy, and I hope to see you next week. This is a very simple exercise in which we're going to lift and spread the toes to strengthen the supportive arch of the foot. Lifting and spreading of the toes is actually one of the main basic principles of PhysioYoga. And what it does is this. So when you lift and spread the toes while keeping the ball of the foot and the heel of the foot in full contact with the floor, the first thing that happens is, with lifting and spreading the toes, the arch underneath the foot, in fact the three arches, are becoming more pronounced and much more stronger. So they're creating a kind of dome, and in architecture they are using a dome because this is much more powerful. It's able to support a lot more weight than just let's say a flat roof. So just a flat structure is more prone to injury, and a dome structure is much more strong, and it's able to really support the full body weight in this way. So by lifting and spreading the toes, these arches are supported more. Next to that, the muscles that run on the outside of the lower leg become more strong, which stabilizes the outer ankle and the outer knee. This is very interesting because a lot of people have these arches that are going down, or the inside part of the foot is coming towards the floor. So this will help to strengthen these arches and re-establish a more balanced way of standing on the foot and balancing your weight over the both of the feet. So, point the toes straight forward. You also will be wanting to keep the knees above the ankles, so you don't want to swing the knees out or inward. And it's very simple. It's just as the name of the exercise itself. You just start by lifting the toes and spreading them as much as possible. You might feel that this is quite impossible. Like you will see that my right little toe doesn't really want to go out. It's looking, it's trying to open, but it's still quite difficult even after some years of training. So you just have the intention of spreading and lifting the toes, but you don't want the inner arch of the foot to go up like this, nor do you want to go the outer side of the foot up like that. And you also want to keep the knees completely straight. So now if we look at this from this side, let's say that my foot is a little bit flat, that the arch of my foot is going down like this. You will see by just keeping the ball of the foot on the floor and the heel on the floor and just lifting and spreading the toes, that this arch will become more pronounced. By the way, a common problem with a lot of people is that this articulation gets deformed and the big toe is going towards the outside and this bone is coming out. This is called hallux valgus. And it's created by people walking on high heels, by wearing shoes that are too small, like this. You can see that my feet, my toes get a little bit deformed and that the big toe is going in that direction. So by lifting, trying to lift and spread the toes and trying to have the big toe come towards the inside of the leg, you have a little bit of influence on this articulation. You will be able to make a bit more room here. We still have other exercises for this, but this basic one will do a lot. So, just to repeat, you go stand, the toes point straight forward, you lift and spread the toes, and you keep the ball of the foot and the heel of the foot evenly spread on the floor. Your weight is divided on both feet, like that. You keep the knees above the ankles. And you can keep on standing like this, or you can do a little rest in between and then lift and spread the toes again. So in all of the PhysioYoga yoga poses, we are going to try to keep these feet active like that. We'll have some more videos about this later on.